In this presentation, we will understand logical OR with conditionals. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first topic of this presentation is logical OR with if statement. The second topic is logical OR with if-else statement. And the third topic is logical OR with if-elif-else statement. Let's get started with the first topic, that is logical OR with if statement. So what is logical OR with if statement? In the last lecture, we have understood what is logical AND with if statement. We know logical AND can be used in the situation where we want to execute a statement or a set of statements based on multiple conditions, and we want to execute them only when all the conditions are satisfied. Logical OR can also be used to combine multiple conditions, but it can be used in situations where we want to execute a statement or a set of statements even if a single condition is satisfied. So this is the difference between logical OR and logical AND. So one thing is clear, that if any of the conditions are satisfied in case of logical OR with if statement, then the statements inside the if block will be executed. Let's consider one simple example to demonstrate this fact. Let's say that we want to write a program to check whether today is Saturday or Sunday. If any of the conditions is satisfied, then we must print it's a weekend. So let's say that today is Sunday. Here today variable is representing today, and today variable is pointing to this string Sunday. So today is Sunday. If today is Saturday or today is Sunday, then in that case, it's a weekend must be printed. Here we are using OR and not AND. The reason is pretty simple. We want to execute this statement based on these conditions. Even if a single condition is satisfied, then this statement must be printed. That is why we are using OR here. And it makes sense too. A day can never be both Saturday and Sunday. So it makes sense to not use AND here. We must use OR here. So if any of these conditions are satisfied, then this statement will be printed. We know that today is Sunday. Therefore, this condition is satisfied. Hence, this statement will be printed. Therefore, the output of this program is, it is a weekend. I hope this concept is clear. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is logical OR with if-else statement. We have discussed the program where we were checking whether today is Saturday or Sunday. Now let's consider the same example. Here in place of Sunday, we now have Monday. Now we know that none of these conditions are satisfied. Therefore, this statement will not be printed. This means nothing will be printed. But let's say that we want to print it's a weekday when none of these conditions are satisfied. If today is neither Saturday nor Sunday, then we know that it's a weekday. Either it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. So one thing is clear, that it is a weekday. Therefore, we can write the else block here to print it's a weekday. So let's type this down. Else print it's a weekday. As today is Monday, these two conditions are not satisfied. Therefore, else block will be executed, and this means that it's a weekday will be printed on the screen. Therefore, the output of this program is it's a weekday. I hope this is also clear. So let's move on to the next topic, logical OR with if-elif-else statement. We can use logical OR with if-elif-else statement. For this, we will consider one example. Let's say that there is some ABC company, and usually in that company, Saturdays and Sundays are holidays for everyone, and Monday to Friday are work days. Along with this, company also follows this, that if the day is Monday or Friday, then every employee has to work for 2 hours extra. Otherwise, they will work based on normal work hours. Let's say we want to write the program for the same. So for this, we will check if today is Saturday or Sunday, then we will print it's a holiday. Otherwise, if today is Monday or Friday, then in that case we will print work 2 hours extra. Else if none of the conditions are satisfied, then in that case we must print normal work hours. So let's do this. Let's say that today is Tuesday and let's check this condition. If today is Saturday or today is Sunday, then we know that it's a holiday, so we must print it's a holiday. If today is Monday or today is Friday, then we know that every employee has to work for 2 hours extra. Therefore, we must print work 2 hours extra. Otherwise, if none of these conditions are satisfied, then in that case, normal work hours must be printed. So if we run this program, we will get this output, normal work hours, because today is Tuesday and none of these conditions are satisfied. Hence, else block will be evaluated. Therefore, normal work hours is printed. I hope the concept is completely clear how to use logical OR with if-elif-else statement. This means that we are done with all the topics of this presentation. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation. I will see you in the next one.